our cine lens use the same glass as our art lens. And our art lens is designed to perform very well even at the rear edge of the full frame. That's why our cine lens can illuminate even outside the full frame and perform well. So finally, I could come here. Again, Leica, Panasonic, and Sigma announced to work together to develop its own product on the same platform, L-mount system. Today, I don't have any new product to announce. However, today I'd like to share with you our plan for this L-mount system in the future. I have 6 items to share with you. So let me start. Number 1, we will develop the new full-frame mirrorless camera, which features foveon full-frame sensor. Of course, this foveon full-frame sensor is brand new sensor. And this camera will be available in 2019. Number 2, we will not develop any new SA mount camera in the future. We focus on only L-mount system. Of course, we continue the shipment of the existing SA mount camera, but we will not make new SA mount cameras. Number 3, as far as the interchangeable lens for DSLR is concerned, we will continue the development and production and the sales of SA mount lenses because we have SA mount camera users. We will continue it for the time being. Number 4, we will release the 2 types of lens adapters. One is Sigma SA to L-mount adapter. Another one is Canon EF to L-mount adapter. These lens adapters will be available in 2019. With the introduction of these 2 lens adapters, L-mount camera users can access to the wide variety of the lens system. L-mount camera users can use, of course, native L-mount lenses, and also they can use Sigma SA mount lenses together with a SA to L-mount lens adapter. They can also use Sigma's EF mount lens together with a EF to L-mount lens adapter. And they can also use Sigma's PL mount cine lenses with the Leica's PL to L-mount adapter. And also, they can access to Leica M-mount together with a Leica's M-mount, M to L-mount lens adapter. So this L-mount system will have the almost complete wide variety of lens system from the very, very early stages. Number 5. We will develop and release the native L-mount lenses starting from the 2019. Right now, we already have 14 lenses for mirrorless camera. First of all, we will make L-mount version of these lenses starting from next year. And also, we will release more lenses for L-mount. These lenses are designed dedicated for mirrorless camera. The last one is we will start the mount conversion service to L-mount. If the lens has L-mount in its family, we will provide the lens conversion service to L-mount, or vice versa. So This is a summary of our plan for L mount in the future. We make the new foveon full frame sensor camera. We will not make any new SA mount camera. We will continue the development and sales of SA mount lenses. And we will release two lens adapters. And we will also develop and release native L mount lenses. And we will provide the lens mount conversion service to L mount. Sigma will continuously enhance the L mount system by supplying unique, innovative, and high-quality products. So, I'm almost at the end of my presentation. I really appreciate your kind attention. But I have one more item to share with you. It's a brand new Sigma Eyes movie. Like other Sigma movie we made in the past, we feature the real worker who work at our factory.